Hello everyone. Now worksheet 5. Worksheet 5 is related to the reciprocal concept. Observe here, the power is in negative. Negative power is there. So it means that we have to do the concept of the reciprocal here. Okay. So first we will try to solve the bracket. So in order to solve the bracket, to make it positive, to make the power positive, the base will become reciprocal. So 1 by 2 it will become, and the power will become positive. So it will become power 1. So no need to write it. Similarly, the base will become reciprocal and the power will become positive. And keep the outer minus 1 as it is. Similarly, in second part also you will write 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. Here also the power will become 1. So there is no need to write it. So what should be the next step now? To solve the bracket by taking its LCM. So LCM is 6. 3 minus 2. Divide and multiply. Similarly, to take the LCM of 6 and 8, it would be 24. Then divide and multiply 4 minus 3 and outside is minus 1. Okay, now it will become 1 by 6 power minus 1 plus 1 by 24 power minus 1. Now what should be next step? Again you have to do the reciprocal to make the power positive. So it will become 6 upon 1. So we can write it only 6 plus this will become 24 by 1. So we can write it 24 only, and the power will become plus 1. So no need to write power 1 here. So add them together to get the answer as 38. Next part. In next part again we will follow the same procedure. It will become 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 and power is 2, and again here the power is minus 1, so reciprocal to make it positive exponent, so minus 8 by 3. Now what should be next step? Multiply them together and the power is 2, multiply minus 8 by 3. Now in next step you will write 1 by 6 multiply 1 by 6, or you can write it as directly 1 by 36 also. So this term you will get it. And what should be next step? Cancel it. So it goes with the 2. Here it will come 3. Again it goes with the 2. So 3, and here it will come as 2. So the final answer will be minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So it will be 27. So minus 2 by 27 is the answer. In third part, change the base in the reciprocal form and then we will proceed further. How will you write 12 power minus 1? We will write it as 1 by 12. Now, solve this bracket. So it will become 1 by 12. Divide 1 by 12. Now, next step, change this divide in multiplication form, and you know it very well. While converting it in multiplication form, the second term will become reciprocal. Now what should be next step? Cancel them, and after cancelling it you will be getting 1 as a answer. Next part. In fourth part, now the power is minus 2. It is again in the negative exponent, but the power is minus 2. So reciprocal it. So it will become 2 by 1 or 2, and the power will become positive. Similarly 3 by 1. So power will become power 2. So here also it will become positive power. Now 2 power 2. It means 4. 2 multiply 2. 3 power 2 means 3 2 times. 3 multiply 3, 9. and 4 multiply 4, it would be 16. So solve it further to get its answer as 29. In fifth part, again we will follow the same procedure. Divide 1 by 5 and outside power 2. Now to make this minus 1 as positive exponent, so we will write it minus 8 by 5. Next step, to solve this bracket, so what will you do? You will change this division in multiplication form. So multiply and 1 by 5 will become 5 by 1. And write minus 8 by 5 as it is. Now it will become 5 by 2, 5 by 2 whole square, multiply minus 8 by 5. Now 5 by 2, you can write it 2 times so that the cancellation will become easy for you. Now what should be next step? क्या होगा? Cancel the term. This will go and 2, 4 and here you will get 2. So the final answer, what should be the final answer now? In fifth part, the final answer 5 multiply minus 2. So it will be minus 10 as the answer. Next part. In sixth part, 3 by 7 power is negative, so make it positive. So 7 by 3, you will write 7 by 3 and the power will become 2. Divide. This will also become 7 by 4 power 2. So what should be next step? To change this in multiplication. So how will you do it? Change it in multiplication and the next term will become reciprocal. Now open it. 7 by 3 2 times and 4 by 7 also 2 times. So here 7 and 7 will be cancelled out. So what should be left now? What should be left? 4 multiply 4, 16 upon 9. 3 multiply 3. So 16 upon 9 will be the answer. In seventh part, we will solve the inner bracket first. So it will become 5 by 2 multiply 4 by 3. No need to write the power 1 and outside is minus 1. Next step, to cancel the term, cancel it. So you will be getting 10 upon 3 power minus 1. Why? Because 5 multiplied 2 is 10 and denominator is 3. Now to make it positive, you will write 3 by 10 and again no need to write power 1. So 3 by 10 will be the final answer. Now 8th part. In 8th part, we can straight away use one of the law of division. Bases are same and the powers are there, powers are different, so we can write it first power minus second power. Now it will become first power minus second power. So 4 power minus 3 multiply 64. Now tell me what should be next step? क्या होगा next step? In the next step, you will change the power in positive. So how will you change it? You will write 1 by 4 power 3 multiply 64. Now 1 by 4 3 times. Either you can write it like this or you can multiply it straight away also. So again it will become 64. So cancel it. So you will be getting 16, then 4 and 4. Cancel. So the final answer you will be getting as 1 here. In 9th part, look here. the bases are same. There are many ways to do the question, but the method should be right. So here the bases are same and it is in the multiplication form and the powers are different. So you can straight away use the law also. So minus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So in next step, it will be cancelled out. So you will be getting 4 by 5 power 2. So 4 by 5 power 2 means 4 by 5 2 times. You will write it like this. So 16 upon 25 is the final answer. Or you can do it with the other way also by converting this negative power in positive. But this is the easiest way to do it. Now the last part of this question, here it is given in the division form. If you will observe division form and the bases are same. Again here bases are same and it is in the division form. So we will use the identity here or the law. So you will write base only once, first power minus second power. So be careful while writing it. First power minus 3 minus of second power. Here the second power is minus 4. Similarly, minus in the next part you will write base only once. So first power minus of second power. So second power is minus 6. So you will keep it in the bracket. Now solve it for the minus half. So minus 3 plus 4. Minus minus will become plus. Similarly, for this part also, minus 5 plus 6. Minus minus will become plus. Now next step, minus half. So what it should become? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. What it will become? It will become as 1. Minus half. So minus 5 plus 6. What it will become? 1. Okay. Now in next step, what will be the next step now? The power is 1. So you can leave it. So minus half and again it is minus half. Now minus minus will become plus. It will become plus here. So minus and minus will become plus, plus, minus half. Sorry. This you will write it like this. Half. So one is negative, another is positive. So it will be cancelled out. So cancel it. Then answer will be 0. I hope all these parts of question 1 clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.